In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep your Google account private. We live in a digital age where privacy is becoming more and more crucial. So let's dive into ensuring your Google account is as private as you want it to be. To start off, grab your device and open up your Google browser. If you're already signed in, this will be a breeze. When you're on the browser, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you should see your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. This icon is your gateway to managing your account settings. Think of it like the control center of your Google presence. Once you have clicked on your profile picture, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you want to focus on Manage your Google account. This is where you can control, modify, and enhance your Google experience. Click on it and you'll be directed to your account management page. Now that you're in your Google account settings, look for the Personal Info tab. Clicking on Personal Info will open up a new section where you can see all the data linked to your Google account. It's important to review this information regularly to ensure that everything is accurate and that you're comfortable with what's displayed. Once you're in the Personal Info section, spend some time reviewing the details, your name, profile picture, and any other personal information listed. This is a good moment to make sure everything is up to date and to your level of public comfort. Do you even remember selecting that old profile picture? Maybe it's time for an update. Moving on, you'll see an option called Choose What Others See. Click on that option to dive deeper into your privacy settings. This section is crucial because it lets you decide which pieces of information are visible to others. Who do you want to see your email or birthday? Perhaps only your closest friends or maybe just yourself. Decide who gets to see your information by exploring the settings under Choose Who Can See Your Information. This could be set to anyone, only your contacts, or only you. Depending on how much privacy you desire, this is where you make that distinction. This step ensures that you have more control over your online persona and who gets to see what about you, and there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've taken significant steps in guarding your digital footprint. Privacy might have a high value in our connected world, but with tools like these, protecting it doesn't have to be complex. Thanks for watching, and make sure to take a few moments regularly to check these settings and ensure your account is as private as you need it. Stay safe online.